In spring of 2022, Burger King Germany introduced the Pregnancy Whoppers. And today, we're gonna make the Spiegelei und Bananen Whopper, which means fried egg and banana Whopper. It sounds crazy. I have no idea if it's gonna taste good, but let's go pick up a Whopper, modify it, and we'll find out if we enjoy it. Time to go home and modify this Whopper. I got my bananas, but now it's time to fry some eggs. Pregnancy Whopper. I'm not pregnant, but I'm ready to give it a taste test. Meat, bananas, tomatoes, fried egg, bun. Here we go. Cutting the egg yolk. What a mess. Let me get a napkin. This is a no. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to recreate another kind of pregnancy burger. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and check out these other great videos if you haven't already subscribed to this channel.